sky. What is that? Aliens.
It's called contrail.
Hey, tomorrow's gonna be a beautiful day. That's what it is.
Yep. It's called a plant. You know, the government's planting some seeds.
Oh no, they're spraying some little vitamins to people, you know?
Truck all loaded up. Matthew. Who the? It's Rocket Man, yeah.
It's crazy, man. I saw this on YouTube. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Hold on.
Puzzy.
That's okay. Go. No?
I think it's a sense of your body there. No.
Oh! No, I just touched this. You got a lot of rats. Poop.
Just see some mouse traps.
Okay.
This got put in today. It's kind of a rain drop finish. Worst thing is we can't see the tile. Can't see his work.
Hey boy, maybe you can do.
Freaking beast, dude. He's gonna kill me.
Eric, this is bullshit. You gotta throw it on the street. You're garbage, man. Look at the guys. What the fuck wrong with you?
It's brand
Send a little bit.
spanking new.
Spray paint it. It's $3,000, man.
Avenida Rotella, baby.
Free. Oh god damn it, they're back. Look at them. I think every rock has some of them.
They're hiding. Where's the mama?
Hold on, let's see this one.
Ima da isto.
One and some cockroaches. That's good.
Awesome.
Oh man, let's see this one.
Are they dead? I think they're dead.
No.
There's
Bug. No, don't. I need to buy some acid. I don't have any acid, dude.
Ladybug. Save him.
Where?
He's hiding, dude.
There's a ladybug, man.
There you are.
Oh my god, come on, baby. That's a luck. Come on.
There's no spots. That means it's a man. No, it's not. Oh, gone. Get out of here, dude. There's fucking snakes everywhere.
Okay. He's not gonna sleep.
He's trying to kill you. He doesn't want to go in the jar. This music is too perfect with this. How does this go with this?
It's a beautiful creature, man. Down. Jam session. I can be Milwaukee fucking. Hold up. Advertiser, dude, because I love this bait. It's like you make a little fucking, you know. Still works. Milwaukee. It's just beautiful and light, and you can crawl, you can go, you can hold it this way, you can hold it this way, any way you want it. Milwaukee. I only buy Milwaukee. Yeah. I used to have a fucking. See, hold on. That's okay. Milwaukee. So a spark, yeah? There was a spark. Yeah, there was a fucking spark. Milwaukee.
How is it that?
It's like drinking a diesel motor oil. Full synthetic diesel. Okay.
What?
Ready? Oh
Come
my
on.
God, this is so refreshing, man. Oh, dude. You ready? Okay.
Only. Oh my God, that's. I'm good. Oh shit!
Come on here. Come on here.
Nah. You're pulling me. Look, I'm holding you with my. What the?
Oh God damn it! Put it like this. Hey.
That our flag was still there. Oh, say does the star-spangled banner yet
You're doing a goddamn wrong. Okay. And land of the free. Bullshit. I gotta fight for the goddamn papers. Nothing is free, dude. I gotta pay taxes, okay?
Son,
It's not fucking bad, dude.
this is the basic 2 patties, bread, grilled onions.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's my second hamburger in my life. It's not bad. It's different beef, different meat, something.
In and out, man.
In and out.
No
See?
one like it.
Well, look away. Wait. Sorry, sir. See, look at John 3:19, 3:16. Remember?
Yeah.
John 3:16.
I know.
Don't worry about it. We're good. Thank you, In and Out.
Let's go talk in the car. Because where am I gonna sit?
I'm gonna take this home.
Tata, can I chop it?
Pick it up.
Nico, can I take it home?
God, this is too big, man.
I'm bringing my Ford right here. I will pull this baby.
That's all termite infested,
I will
man.
tie the rope.
That's
and the
fucking
baby
termites,
go.
bro.
Look at this.
Yeah.
It's full of termites.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Termites everywhere. Motherfuckers. They eat the planet, motherfuckers. I'm sick and tired of the termites. They're killing the humans. Motherfuckers.
Okay, let's go.
Let's talk to Pete about it.
Let's go. He's good. He's fine.
I'm good. I'm fucking perfect. Oh, where's my sunglasses, dude? No, my glasses.
I got it.
Oh shit, I scraped my ass.
Clearly. Charlie. Wait. Clean your pants.
I'm gone.
Clean your pants, dude.
Jesus, what the hell?
No, my you Buddha. What's wrong?
Yeah, he close. He just goes. Hey, listeners. All you guys, you watching this video right now. I just want to tell you one thing. That I'm so blessed. I'm so fucking blessed. That I have my boy, my son, to work with me.
Come on.
Hey, listen. Hey, I'm not joking with you, dude. This is serious.
I know.
Okay? I love you.
You too, my dad.
Okay, now?
That-
I know, I got beer belly, you know?